So today I'm going to talk about how to retarget a Mixamo animation to a character rigged with ActorCore's Accurig here in Blender. It's actually easy, by the way, but you must have Reallusion's Blender add-on. It's a free plugin and can be downloaded on Reallusion's website. So after retargeting the animation, I will place the character in a moving car as seen here. By the way, this is an action film project I'm still working on though, and it will be released soon. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We would really love that. I'm going to first import the rigged character through the plugin. Then, from the plugin, I'm going to convert the Accurig to Rigify. Make sure the Blender Rigify add-on is activated. Now it's done. I now have access to control rigs for editing and bone repositioning. Next is to import a Mixamo Mocap animation via this plugin. There's the animation we wish to retarget into this control rig. So next is to find the source armature. In this case, I should be looking for sitting dodges because that's the mocap's name. Here's how to do that. And there it is. So let's preview it and see if it's working. Alright, that's perfect. Next step is to bake this animation into this control rig. The baking is now finished. As you can see, the character is still behaving exactly as the baked mocap. Next step is to make the baked animation editable using Blender's NLA. Doing this allows you to adjust and keyframe some bone positions of the character without losing the animation completely. Here's how to do that. Now that is done. Let me now move the character to the car I wish to place her in. Okay, I think that fits well. Let me go into pose mode and adjust the legs further. Well, as you can see, something is not working, and that's because I'm grabbing an IK rig control for this leg. In this situation, if you wish to use the IK controls of the limbs, here's how to set it up. Let's first hide the FK controls and other controls that are not needed yet. Now let's get back to the Reillusions plugin tab and reconfigure the setup from FK to IK. We do this by dragging these bars to the 0, and now let's try that leg again. Alright, it's working now, so I can adjust the feet now and keyframe them, since they're going through the floor of the car. Oh, I forgot to parent the control rig to the car. It's important to do this, so while the car moves, that carries the girl in it. Okay, now that's done. Let me then add a camera and parent the camera to the car. This will help us focus on the girl while the car moves. Here's how. Okay, now the camera is set. Let me continue adjusting the feet and keyframe them. Alright, it's done now. Let's now observe things. If you notice, from the animation, the legs are no more moving while the girl performs the dodging. This happened because we keyframed the bone that influenced the leg's mocap. And that's the disadvantage of using IK control in this situation, because limb joints are linked when it moves. So when you move one, others are affected. This is why I prefer to use FK control in this case. With FK, you can avoid to keyframe the bone that influenced the leg mocap. Let me use FK controls to adjust the legs and see what happens. All right, let's see. And there you go, the legs are now moving. So that's pretty much it. I hope this helps in your own project. If it does, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Till I come again, keep nurturing in 3D.